Hey guys, it's John and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and welcome to another episode of Finally Friday. Or is it?
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend.
Hit him with the intro.
So today we have a 22-minute vlog planned for you. Just kidding. What are we doing today?
It's gonna be short and sweet. We have made it to 500 subscribers.
Woohoo!
Thank you to everyone who subscribed and has followed along with us on all of our journeys. We really appreciate it. And to show you our appreciation, it's time to do another giveaway.
A big one this time.
Biggin'.
John dropped a hint last week. No, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Yeah.
It's
some of you got
hot.
it. Yeah. Some of you got it. Before we announce what we are going to give away, we want to give a quick shout out to someone who's going to help us. My phone is ringing.
Cut.
It's my dad. Now that I'm off the phone, we do want to do a quick shout out to someone who's going to help promote this video for us, and I'll let Morgan do the explaining.
I'm going to put all of his info down in the description below, and it's also going to pop across the screen here for you. It is White Bulls Barbecue. He is on Instagram, he's on YouTube, and he has a website. He's got seasoning and rubs on his website, along with recipes, things like that. And his YouTube videos, let me tell you, if you are not full, do not watch his video because you will be starving.
Yeah.
His food looks delicious. So
yeah.
He is gonna help promote this, like John said, and so we are super, super grateful. So go check his stuff out.
Sounds good.
All right, what are we giving away?
Time to announce.
I can't do the drum roll.
We are going to give away a Traeger Scout pellet grill.
Yes.
So if you're not familiar with a Traeger grill, it is a pellet smoker and a grill. It's automated with an auger, so it self-feeds. If you win, we'll get your address and drop ship it to you. The reason we're doing this is because I love Traeger grills. Morgan wasn't a huge fan of them until I got one, and now she likes it. So It's a very user-friendly way to grill, and it's very compact, so it's easy to haul around. So if you're going camping, if you're gonna keep it in your RV, even if you want to use it in your house, a lot of people use them as a secondary grill to grill like vegetables or something like that while they have ribs or a brisket on the other one. So
you can bake in them too.
Yeah.
Which a lot of people don't know. So
smoked bread
really good.
is really good.
Yes. Yeah. Because it heats like an oven. So really great.
So there are going to be 3 contingencies to enter this giveaway.
First one. You must subscribe or be subscribed to our channel. You must also go over, and I will put his info right here for you, White Bulls Barbecue. Go to his YouTube channel and also subscribe to him. I promise you, you will not regret his recipes.
Number 2.
You must like and share this video. Give it a big old thumbs up.
Number 3. You have to put a comment in this video of what the first thing you plan to smoke or grill if you win this Traeger. And then follow it with the hashtag #KeepSmokin'. And that's KEEPSMOKIN.
Right here on the screen for you.
Yep.
All right, so super easy. 3 steps. Make sure to subscribe to us. Make sure to subscribe to White Bull. Like and share. And comment below.
So this video is going to be the start date of the giveaway. So 10/2/2020. And this giveaway is going to end on 10/16/2020. So if you're not good at math, that's 2 weeks that you got to enter this giveaway. And then tell all your friends what we're giving away and have them hop on over and enter in.
I'm really sorry. I know we're going to get hate for this again. Due to COVID and due to shipping, it is staying in the United States only. So again, sorry about that. Eventually we will get to do an international.
All right, so don't forget to follow the parameters of the giveaway. Then head on over to White Bull Barbecue and follow his channel. I'm telling you, he's got some good stuff over there, so you won't be disappointed. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.
Good luck. Dunzo.